I don't speak English, but I want my message to reach as many people as possible. That's why this voice is synthetic, created with AI, but everything you'll hear is my real story, real experience, real survival. Episode 7. Pets are family too. If you have pets, of course you'll want to take them with you. But sometimes that just isn't possible. Documents. Every country has its own rules, but international standards are pretty clear. Vet passport, vaccinations, ID tags, barcodes, microchips. If your pet has no documents, go to a vet clinic. They'll explain everything and help you prepare what's needed. Animal stress is real. Pets hear better than humans. Explosions, sirens, chaos. It's a sensory nightmare. Take with you their favorite toy ball, blanket, anything familiar. A proper carrier if it's a small pet. What if you have an aquarium? Bad news. The fish will likely die. No power equals no filter, no oxygen, no circulation. But if you believe you'll be back in a few days, make sure there's a backflow valve on the filter. Set up backup power if you can. Just know it's a gamble. Small rodents and caged animals, you can release them or give them to neighbors, but let's be honest, they become someone else's problem. Too many dogs? Open the gate. Let them have a chance to survive. It's painful, but sometimes the most humane choice. Livestock and farm animals, cows, goats, chickens, horses, anything you can't evacuate, open pens and shelters. Let them go. They'll find food and water. It's better than locking them in personal story. A few weeks before it started, we took in a stray dog, young, friendly, no documents. When the shelling began, he was terrified. I brought him inside, but when it was time to leave, I couldn't take him. I walked him outside and told him to run. It still hurts to remember. Later, I heard he started living with neighbors who stayed. The truth. Think about yourself, about your family. If something happens to you, you won't be able to help anyone. Plan, accept your limits, make the hard calls. Always be ready. After this, my walk in the forest. I added it because YouTube prefers longer videos and shares them more. Stay with me a bit longer and just reflect on everything you've just heard. You need to have a plan. Support this project. If this information was helpful and you'd like to say thank you, here are a few ways to do it. Subscribe to the channel, share this video with friends,